Hello, this is Meri.
And this is Marko.
When I was in school, I hated practical classes like woodwork because it was so boring, mainly due to lack of equipment and materials. But one day my teacher asked me to stay after classes to prepare for the competition. He taught me how to work with wood and machines at his home workshop. I'll never forget that moment when I made my first wooden candlestick. In my hometown Aharkov, there are 200 schools, and most of them do not have necessary equipment and materials for practical classes.
Our dream is to increase the interest in handicraft skills among school students from 8 to 16 years old. That's why we want to open a joinery that will sell unique wooden items made by us. We are going to spend the profit from it for setting up a weekend handicraft workshop for children and providing schools with the necessary equipment and materials. There is low competition in this field in Kharkiv, and we can see the increasing demand from our tourists and eco-minded people. Each of our customers will make an investment in children's labor education every time they buy our products.
Our vision is making possible for every child to get that feeling that I had when I made my first candlestick. Will you join us?